Welcome back. And I think we almost attending 3 weeks on Java fundamentals. We know already class, object, how object is created. Okay, we know variable, we know states and behavior, properties, methods, okay, constructor, and we know how to create object. Now let's start automation. Before I go to automation, let me tell you what are the difference between automation and manual testing. If you go to facebook.com, this is an application, web application, right? https://www.facebook.com. When you click here, it's take us to an application, okay? And if you want to test whether this application is working fine or not, what do you have to do? You have to say, you have to enter Gmail address, then password. Okay. If it is correct password, correct username, correct password, then click on login. What are you expecting?
It will log in.
It will log in.
User will be able to log in the page.
Yes. And this is expected results. You are expecting user can log in, right? This is expected results. We are expecting user can be logged in. Now, what is the actual result? Actual result is if you put correct username and correct password and click on login button, you are expecting you can log in. After clicking, if the user can log in, you see, user can log in, he is inside this account. So what is actual result now? Actual results
It's the same thing.
Can log in.
Can log in.
Yeah.
Matching.
Yeah, when this expected result and actual result match tests us.
Test.
But if it doesn't match, say for example, let me log out. Okay, log out. Now I put this and now click and it's saying the password you have entered is incorrect.
Correct.
You were expecting to log in, but you cannot log in. Then what happens?
Failed.
Test failed. Now it is failed. Okay, cannot log in. Can log in and cannot log in, not similar. So this is core concept of software testing. Okay, you have to first understand expected result, what the application is expecting. Okay, and actually what's functionality we are getting. Clear? Okay, if you understand it, now what we have done is manual testing. We did everything manually. Okay, I wrote username, put password, then click here manually. But when we will do the same testing using a programming language, that is Java, and automation tool, that is Selenium, it will be automation. Now let me show the same thing in automation. Just go to file, we create Java project. Now we are not creating Java project. I'm going to other. Okay, go to other, then go to Maven. Okay, it will be like this. Go to Maven, and click on Maven project. Okay, then click on next and check in create a simple project, and then next. Now new Maven project, enter a group ID for the artifact, meaning group ID is the application you are going to test. We are going to test facebook.com. Yeah, you have to write reverse com.facebook, not facebook.com. First you have to write com, then name of the application Facebook. Okay, and artifact ID is the project name that will be appearing here. I have one project that is BDD Cucumber test, and another project name is automation, just automation. Okay, then click on finish. You see automation is there. Automation project has been created, and click on this greater than sign. It will show whatever we have created right now. Now when we create a Java project, simply you see go to new, then Java, and you say Java tutorial, on finish. You see Java tutorial inside the project. Wow, Java tutorial. Actually I wanted to create Java project, but it didn't create Java project. Maven project. Let's try again. Go to Java and just name it Java tutorial. Okay, then just click on finish. You can click on next, then you can just click, oh my goodness, automatically creating Maven project. Usually it doesn't happen. Project requires compliance level of 9 or above. Do you want to change project compliance? JRE 15. Yeah, I can, but not necessary. Java tutorial. You see, it's automatically being created, all these folders, though I don't want it. Okay, just I want to,
SRC.
yeah, I just want you to understand the difference between Java project and Maven project. Maven project comes with automatically
Library.
some packages, you see, some
Package.
packages, and also pom.xml file.
Yeah.
All right. Now, we, the automation engineers, work inside these two packages. One is src/test./java, and another one is src/test. Wherever tests, we work inside of it. But the software engineers or software developers works here. We, the test engineers, work here. Okay, we work here, remember. So don't touch it. Okay, and this is pom.xml file that is used to download and install necessary software. If you download and install software one by one, it might take maybe 60 minutes. But if you use pom.xml file, it will take just 10 minutes, maybe less. So it saves our time, okay? More efficiently, more quickly, we can handle our projects using Maven build automation tool. So what is Maven? Maven is a build automation tool. Remember, what is Maven? Maven is a build automation tool that help us to handle our project more efficiently, more quickly. Okay, now this is pom.xml file. This is just a file, and just here after the version, okay, after the version, we create a tag that is called dependencies. Dependencies. This is opening tag. This is opening tag, and this is closing tag. What are the differences between these two tags? Both are dependencies, only closing tag has extra slash. Project, this is opening project tag, and this is closing project tag. Closing does have extra slash. Okay, now dependency meaning software. Dependencies meaning inside this two tags there will be more than one software. Okay, so from where we can get this software? just go to MVN, type MVN, meaning Maven, and it's showing Maven repository. Click on it. Maven repository. Go to Maven repository. It is not Maven repository. This is mvnrepository.com. So this is the web application we want to go in. Click here and type here. What do you want? You want Selenium Java. What is Selenium? Selenium is a set of automation tools, just not single tool. It is set of tools. Okay. Click on Selenium Java and take the latest version. Latest. Click here. Then take this dependency. I just click and it has been selected. Right button, click, copy. Then go to the project and in between dependency tags, paste it. Okay. And I need another dependency. There is WebDriver Manager. Then click on search. Click on search. WebDriver Manager. Click on it. Then take the latest one. Click, right button, click, copy. Are you following? Rudy? Mr. Rudy, are you following me?
I'm listening, yeah.
Are you watching?
I'm watching and listening.
Okay. Is Ignatius, are you following? So there are two software, right? No. Just right button click, save. Now. Very quickly it downloaded and installed. It's so quick we even could not see it. If you are on Windows, it might take a couple of seconds, you can see it. But if you are on MacBook, you cannot see it. It is so fast. When this software will be effective, you can see here Maven dependencies, but Maven dependencies is not there. So go to project, right button click, then go to Maven, okay, and click on update project. Which project? Automation, select it. If it is not selected, automation, this project. Then click on force update of snapshots or releases. Then click on OK and look, Maven dependencies now here. Okay, meaning these two software are now active. Okay, so what we are going to do, let me close all these unnecessary classes. Okay, and close this one also. Now I'm going to create a class inside src/test/java, because we will be working only on these two packages, not the first two packages, because these are for the software engineers. or software developers. These are for software development engineer in test or QA automation engineers or the test engineers. Just right button click, create a package and say, these are test cases. We learn in Java, packages should be started with small case. Is Ignatius following us? Ignatius, okay. Click on finish. Ignatius, are you there? We cannot hear you. Maybe he's sleeping. Ignatius is sleeping maybe. All right. Are you okay, Ignatius? Maybe his speaker is not working. We cannot hear you. Right button click and create now class. Now you know what is class, right? Yes or no? Class is nothing but blueprints. Remember from Java? So I just named the class tests login functionality. You can name it anything, but it should be meaningful. I'm going to test the login functionality, so I name it test login functionality and click on public static void main. Okay, you see, the same way we create Java project class, the same way we are creating. Test login functionality is the name of the class. Class scope starts here, ends here. And inside the class, we have main method, okay? And inside the main method, we are writing the code, okay? Now, I am going to write Selenium code, okay? Selenium and Java. We are going to apply the whole concept we learned in Java in our automation scripts. WebDriver. What is WebDriver? WebDriver is interface. It is a class of a Selenium. What is Selenium? Selenium is set of automation tools that automates browser, that tests software. WebDriver, and I say driver. Driver is reference variable, and we are creating new object from WebDriver. We are not creating object from the class, this class, but we are directly creating object from WebDriver. Okay, and I say new. This object is Chrome driver. It will be a little confusing at the very beginning, but after you practice several times, it will be really be fun. Now you see, when I hover over meaning when I play with my mouse, okay, it's telling me to import Chrome driver. From where we are importing? From .org openqaselenium.com. Just click here and it has been imported here. And then do the same for WebDriver. Click and it has been imported. Now remember, you can also use Chrome driver here instead of WebDriver. Okay, so WebDriver is parent class and this is child class. And these are inbuilt class. Okay, we are not taking from this class, but these are inbuilt class. Do you remember about inbuilt method? So we have also classes inbuilt, like system. We find system was inbuilt class. Okay. Now you can use this driver, reference driver, that's reference to new object. Why we create object? So that we can use the reference driver, reference variable that is referring to the new object. We use it to access all the methods and properties of class. But here, this driver is a reference variable. And when we use this reference variable and use dot, we can access all the methods and properties. We have this web driver. These are the all methods and properties of web driver class. Okay. From Selenium. Now, I want to use get method. These are inbuilt method. We are not creating it. It is already there, inbuilt method. So I'm telling driver, hey driver, go and get the https://facebook.com. I want to test it. Go and get it. Okay. And just right button click, run as Java application. Click on OK. It's invoking the browser and started successfully, and navigate to facebook.com. Earlier, what we did, we ourselves type facebook.com. Then we came here. Now it is not we, the automation tool. This scripts that we code, it is taking us to the application automatically. Once you type the code, you need to just run. Okay. All right. Now we want, it's actually not closing. Now we want automation to close it automatically. How we can close it? I just say driver dot, there is close method to close it. Okay. Now you see, it is not closed earlier. You see, now I'm closing manually. Now look, right button click, run as Java application. Now it will open. Look here, it will open, and it closed automatically. I didn't close it. So automation tool is opening the browser and closing the browser. Okay. Now I just say driver dot quit, meaning now I have done my job. Okay, close it, and quit is just don't close it. Wrap everything up. Okay. I complete my mission. Now wrap everything up. Okay. So close or quit, doing the same thing, but a little different. Close is stopping for the time being, but quit is stop forever. You understand my point? Like tomorrow, if Mr. Rudy is not joining the class, there is close. if he will not come back anymore into the class, then it is quits. You understand the difference? Close is
Yes, temporary
stop.
and permanent. Yeah.
Yeah, temporarily. And quit is stop permanently. Okay. Okay. So this is the beginning of automation.